see the pecan? Don't touch it. I'll show you the pecan.
These are pooping in the
Hey, dude, don't pull on.
Do they play on toys at all yet?
Yeah.
Hey, David.
Sorry, Timmy. I had Minnie in my mind.
Hey, Mom, I told you when we got her, she should just call her Minnie.
Oh, gross.
Look, they all love me. They all love me.
It's like bloody.
Are you still pooping? I'm scared.
Nobody's scared.
Yes. I didn't know that.
Mom?
Nuts are bleeding.
What?
Nuts are bleeding.
What's that? Is that Minnie?
Look. What? George. Is
Touching it, this will kill you.
Not last time we came over here. The one time we were licking This one is cute though.
No, it's yellow.
How's my tickle puppy doing with all this outsideness?
No one.
Ew, come here.
well, if there's a puppy germ to be had, no one will have it.
Okay, if puppies kill people, then all the boys would be dead.
Smile with Minnie.
What?
Smile at her.
Oh, they would get so cold. They'd get cold.
Put her up to your face and have her smile back. Put her up to your face and have her smile back.